Here are the elevator of Macy's and the Oak Brook Mall in Oak Brook, Illinois. This directory with star. Free.
Oh, look at this. Fancy wood. Looks old though.
Look what's like that. It's from Arlington, look. You see that? Look on the ground.
Ooh.
On the ground.
What? Let's see. It's an H.
Well, here, Hodgington.
Oh. Yeah. Hodgson? Hodgson?
Yes, nigga.
Hodgson? It's a hard one to pronounce. I can't even say. And here's the logo. Here's our H logo.
Mm-hmm. Arrow free.
Hodgson.
One. Oh shit, no!
That's okay.
Oh fuck.
That's okay.
This is Macy's store number 217.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Oak Brook, Illinois.
Yeah.
Passenger elevator P2. Please stand by for two-way communication.
It's okay. What does that say?
This is Macy's store number
Oh, we got out of here
217.
before.
1 Oak Brook Center, Oak Brook, Illinois. Passenger elevator P2. Please
Yeah.
stand by for two-way communication.
Nice guy.
10. Yeah.
Oopsie. We found it then. Alright. Okay, now I know where we're at. Okay, now.
There it goes, and that's it.